It's 17th of April and I've read the newspaper so that you don't have to. Let's see what happened in India and around the world in the last 24 hours in less than 2 minutes. Internationally, Trump is all set to have a deal with Iran. He says he's into very good, close relationships with Iran, even if it seems unbelievable. In fact, Trump is like that one self-obsessed person who checks themselves out 10 times in the mirror before going out. He's the bap of the self-obsessed person. He says they want me in Islamabad. Of course, they'll want you. You're the prime minister. Anyway, the good thing is that there might be a deal coming in because economically, it has sent inflation tremors in the Indian economy as well. As per the government sources that have been released, inflation in crude oil prices, especially in the wholesale market, has gone up by 51% because of the Strait of Hormuz being blocked and because of the oil facilities being attacked in the Gulf countries. It's important that the deal goes through and this inflation, because otherwise it will soon transfer from the wholesale market to that of the consumers and we'll have to bear the burden. Nationally, Lok Sabha is once again debating on a battle that runs across decades, the Women Reservation Bill, especially as the opposition has many questions to BJP on its implementation strategy and BJP wants it to be implemented earliest. The House will be voting tomorrow, that is on Friday. It's yet to be seen whether it will go through or not after multiple attempts that have been made in the last few decades. I have a separate video coming up for you guys to decode women reservation politics. Meanwhile, in Bengal, the face-off is happening in the elections as TMC is targeting BJP for its special intensive revision drama where many voters have been deleted, and BJP is countering TMC by saying that, oh, you're confusing the voters because there are some voters who've been deleted as they were dead or they were missing or they were refugees, but you are confusing the actual voters by telling them they might not be in the voter list. Anyway, in the region, in Haryana, the census exercises all started to begin, and Haryana government has taken the initiative of having an online portal where you can log in through an OTP between April 16 to April 30th and give all your necessary information. For those who do not have access to digital tools, the government will be having a manual census exercise from May 1 to May 30th. This is it for today, and I will see you with new headlines tomorrow.